Welcome to Roca Do It. Today I'm going to teach you how you can add Akamai Pragma headers on Google Chrome. Well, Akamai has provided some custom headers which you can send along with your request to track in-depth information about your content which is existing on Akamai CDN. Apart from this, you can use Akamai Pragma headers to investigate or troubleshoot your content relying on Akamai CDN. Akamai Pragma headers is also used to capture particular instance information. Suppose you are facing some kind of error on particular information from particular location, then you can use Akamai Pragma headers and track the request ID. Well, these are the following Akamai Pragma headers which are provided by Akamai, which you can add along with your default request headers to track more information about your content. Alright, for example, x-check-cacheable. If it says no, means your content has not been cached on Akamai CDN. Similarly, there is one more Pragma header, x-akamai-request-id, which will give you exact request ID of your content relying on Akamai. Okay, so these are the following headers which you can use along with your default request to track more information. Now I will going to tell you how you can add these headers into the Google Chrome. Okay, let's go. Let's start with Google. So here is my browser. Here I have opened two websites. One is int.soccerway.com, which is currently using Akamai CDN. So we can use this website as an example to track the outcome of the Akamai Pragma header. Other website is Google, through which we will download the extension. This extension will going to add Akamai Pragma headers. Okay, so first I go to this website, I refresh the page so that I can see what are the headers currently it is showing. I am right now in a network section. From a network section, I am in an index page. Okay, so these are the following headers which currently my browser is sending. Okay, these are all default headers. These are not Akamai headers. By default, none of the browsers send any kind of Akamai Pragma headers to the server. We need to additionally add using the extension. Okay, you can see here is no Akamai Pragma header. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to go to the Google, write modify header extension for Chrome. Now this web page will give us the extension. Okay, now I click on add to Chrome. This will add extension on my Chrome browser. Okay, now it is getting added. Soon you will see the header will soon you will see the extension will start reflecting it here. Okay, here. Okay, this is the framework of extension. So here we need to add the headers. So first I click on add new. Okay, I click on add. Here I need to write Pragma. Okay, you cannot change any value, you have to write Pragma only. Now in the value section, I need to use my PowerPoint slide, copy these Pragma headers which is provided by Akamai. I minimize it. I paste my headers. In the description you can write anything like Akamai Pragma headers or anything, whichever you like. I click on save button. Okay, now still this header is not enabled. First I need to start the extension. Okay, now I can enable this header. I click on enable button. Okay, now this header has been enabled, but still this header will not going to create any impact, or this extension will not going to work until unless I restart my browser. Okay, so in order to restart, I need to first close all my current live session. Before that, I copy this URL. I close my live sessions. Okay. I restart my browser. Okay. I again check if it is working fine. Okay. Now it is showing to disable. So means it is enabled already. Okay. Okay. Now I paste this URL. I click on the three dots. I go to the developer tools. Inside the developer tools, I go to the network section, because here we are going to see all the requests which this URL will send and the outcome of response header. I refresh or just press enter. Okay. Now here I go to the index page. So these are the response header which earlier we were seeing. Along with this time we will also see the outcome of Akamai Pragma headers. You can see X-cache TCP IMS hit means it is getting cached. This page is getting cached and it is coming from this particular edge server on Akamai platform. Okay. Here you can see the CP code, you can see the TTL value of this web page. Similarly, you can get more information about your web page. So in case if you want some kind of troubleshooting, you can use this outcome, or you can provide this outcome to the Akamai support team. They will help you to understand about this particular instance outcome and help you to further troubleshoot if you face any issue on your web page. Thank you so much. If you like my video, click on like. If you want to comment, please comment. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget, friends, to subscribe on my channel. Thank you.